Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. Today I am going to share a review of the TEDx Talk, a message of peace from Pakistan by Hasan. This TEDx Talk delivers a powerful message about peace, hope and unity. Hasan talk about the positive side of Pakistan and the importance of build a better future thought understanding and conference. He explained that every person can contribute to peace by showing kindness, respect, and compassion to other. Small positive action can make a big difference in our communities and security. The speaker also highlights the talent, achievement, and potence of the people of Pakistan. He chose young people of force on education, leadership, and surveying other. One important lesson I learned from this talk is that peace start with each one of us. If we respect other and work thoughts, we can create a more peaceful and successful world. This TEDx talk inspire me think positively, hope other, and become a responsible citizen. And also taught me that importance of unity and understanding among people from different backgrounds. Overall, I found this talk very motivational and meaningful. Is enjoy me to spare positive, promote peace, and believe in the power of good action. Thank you for listening. My name is Al Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.